welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick review for you from Dsoar Hair. I am wearing a 20-inch frontal with 3 bundles of hair. Lengths are 20-inch, 22, and 24 in the Brazilian body wave. So before we get started with this review, if you could kindly go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at JMarie. I would so appreciate it. So yeah, let me get right into it. All right guys, so this hair is beautiful. It's gorgeous. It is super full and full of body. But what I really wanted to point out about this particular hair from Dsoar Hair is that it is a true body wave. I did use all 3 bundles of hair, which of course adds to its fullness, and the longest length, like I said, I do have in is a 24-inch. I'm really super shocked, and I hate to say this, that I was going to like this hair this much. I have tried Dsoar hair before and they never like disappoint, but you know how some hair you just kind of like, I'm not really thinking too much about it because all the other body waves that I've come into contact with are pretty, are beautiful, and I haven't really had any issues. So I was just kind of like with this one, oh, it's gonna be nice, and I didn't really think too much about it. But I'm kind of like, I really love the pattern of this hair. The pattern of this hair is so pretty. So as far as the frontal goes, I did pluck more of this frontal. I am trying to get into customizing my frontal, you guys, and I'm not the best at it, and I was gonna do a sidebar. However, I think I overplucked the area that I was gonna like make this wig into a side part with. So I'm gonna have to go back just to see if I can finesse it a little bit more and make it work. This wig stuff is very like, it's just trial and error, you guys. So I'm not perfect. I'm gonna make mistakes, and I'm gonna tell you guys the mistakes that I made. So as far as getting this wig and hair to kind of lay how I wanted it to, I did use my hot comb and my flat iron, but I didn't use both of them that much. I wanted to keep this wig full of body, and using your hot comb, flat iron, whatever you want to call it, can really flatten out the hair. So as far as any tangles or shedding, I mean, I believe you get both with no matter what hair you buy or get or wig you make, whatever it is. I am getting very minimal of both, so that's always great. So as you guys saw, this wig is very easy to curl. It does hold a curl very well. I just can't stop like putting front of my fingers through it. I need to stop. I'm having hand in hair syndrome. Hand in hair syndrome. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I don't want to make this too long because I have nothing but great things to say so far about this hair. So you are definitely getting really good quality. You can feel it, you can tell. So great job, Dsoar Hair. I am very impressed. I definitely give this hair an A. So that's really it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to check the bottom for coupon codes because everybody always wants to save some money. And also, again, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and hit that subscribe button. And I hope this video was helpful. I enjoy making these for you guys. I hope I am helpful as well. And that's it. I will talk to you guys in my next video.
Come crawling, baby, way up. Good morning, baby, way up.